The electric pressure washer 4500 PSI Max 4 GPM Power Washer, manufactured by Fengrong, boasts a powerful 1800-watt universal motor that provides optimal cleaning power with a maximum water pressure of 4500 PSI and a water flow rate of 4 gallons per minute. The adjustable pressure nozzle, equipped with 4 quick connect spray tips, allows for light, medium, or heavy-duty cleaning, making the pressure washer versatile and efficient. The high-pressure washer hose reel, including a 25-foot-long high-pressure hose, promotes hassle-free winding and unwinding, preventing kinks and ensuring the hose's longevity. The Safety Automatic Total Stop System, TSS, is a standout feature that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and extending the life of the pump. Designed with a wheeled upright trolley, the power washer is easy to move and store, with the mesh stock on both sides and the cable hook keeping the setup neat and organized. With a high review score of 4.3 based on 68 reviews and a competitive price of $179, this power washer is a popular choice, selling approximately 400 units per month.